Need to use lever lock couplings to connect hoses? This clear step-by-step guide will make your life a little easier, as well as add a few bonus tips. Here's how. Before you start, make sure you have these core components: a male lever lock coupling, a female lever lock coupling, a lever closure ring, a standard rubber sealing ring, 2 or more hose clamps like Jubilee super clamps, a hose that matches the size of your lever lock fitting. First, slide the hose clamp over the end of the hose. Then insert the lever lock male coupling through the closure ring. Fitting the hose to the lever lock tail can be tricky. There are a few methods you can try, such as using a compatible lubrication on the coupling and using a heat gun on the end of the hose, but here's our preferred method. With a layflat hose, like we have here, place the hose end in hot water first to give it extra flexibility. Pat it dry, then use gloves for extra grip as you twist the coupling into the hose. It's a manual, fairly slow process, so go steady and expect to work at it a bit. With other hoses, like suction and delivery, it's more a case of firmly pushing the coupling into the hose with a mallet to help. Once the coupling is fully inserted, position the hose clamp between the barbed areas of the coupling. Tighten it securely to lock the connection in place. Now with the female lever lock coupling, insert the sealing ring inside. Slide a hose clamp over the other hose end. Push the female coupling fully into the hose using the same method as before. Once in position, tighten the hose clamp securely to lock it in place. Now you're ready to connect the hoses. Bring the 2 lever lock couplings together, hook the closure ring claws around the head of the female coupling, then press down on the lever to clamp the coupling together, creating a strong, secure connection. Once fully closed, check the joint is locked in place and ready for use. That's it, your hoses are now connected using lever lock couplings. Lever lock couplings are commonly used for heavy-duty fluid transfer, especially in site, agricultural, tanker, and suction or delivery hose applications. They're designed for fast connection and disconnection, making them ideal where hoses need to be moved, changed, or connected regularly. If you want something even easier, you can get hose assemblies with camlock or lever lock fittings already attached. Now that you know how to use lever lock couplings, you can find the full range, plus assembly hoses, at pipestock.com.